Alright, hello everyone. My name is Eric Johnson. If you don't know me, I work at MSOE as the physics specialist. I'm here to teach you guys how to use GoBoard, which is the service that we're gonna be using as we transition into online tutoring. Alright, so as you can see, I'm on GoBoard.com. It's a pretty straightforward website. This tutoring service is really nice. Mike and I have tested out a couple of things, and it's pretty easy to get started. I'm at GoBoard.com. I just go to create a new GoBoard. You don't need to create a login or anything. You just click this button, and it creates your board. Then you want to hit enable camera and microphone so that I can see and hear you, and now you can see me. And then we can either go to invite someone to join, or we can just enter the board now, which is what I'm going to click, and I'll show you how to invite someone later. Alright, so this is what the board looks like. You can see my screen in the upper right hand side. This board's really nice. You can just draw on it. You can do whatever you want. It's really nice for equations. I can make a graph. I have different tools I can access. So I click basic tools. I can make text. I can make a laser light. I can draw straight lines. So it's a nice tutoring tool. Something else I can do is I can then click this button here where it says invite someone, and it gives me a link. So I can either copy this link to clipboard and email it or send a text or whatever, but what I'm going to do is access it via my other computer, which is over here, and I'm just going to type in the last few numbers in here. So goboard.com/B96F62. And as you can see, it says a user has joined and is setting up their camera and microphone. That's just me joining myself. And I hit enter. Alright, so now there's another me here. But that's basically the idea how you invite people. You just send them that link and they can just pop right in, which is really nice. I'm going to leave. Alright, so some other stuff you can do here is if I go to, once I have someone in here, I can go to more tools and it brings up this page and it's really cool. I'm the physics specialist, so I'm going to go to physics and show you what you can do. You can type in, you can go to Wolfram Alpha and you can bring up whatever you want to know. So I don't know, what is force? Okay. And it will literally bring up a definition for force that you can put on the board. So force, F, mass, length, time. And it's really nice. I can expand this, I can make it smaller. I can do all sorts of things. I have a calculator built in, scientific. So 5 times 6, enter, is equal to 30. But I know you guys can, like, you get the idea. You can do all sorts of things. There's all kinds of tools. I haven't even been through them all, but that's the basic idea of GoBoard. Like I said, there's plenty of tools. Like I can go to math and I can make a graphing calculator. Oh yeah, and I can show you this bug I encountered. So here's the graph, and I can insert this graph into here right away. So now I have a graph. And by the way, both of you and the tutee can interact with this board, which I will show off. Reopen, close tab. Alright, so now I'm going to draw on this graph with my other one in red. So that's my other screen that I just brought up here. So if that's the 2D, they can draw whatever they want on here. And then I can bring up this graph, and you can type in whatever equations here that you want, and you can insert the graph on the board. The one thing that does is it does give you a bug where you can't access Wolfram anymore. So if I try velocity, it actually won't let me search. But that's just a small bug. There's probably a couple bugs like that. The way around it would be to just make a new board. But anyway, that's what we're going to try to use for tutoring. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. You should know my email, or email Mike, or email RCAS. But please get used to this website and application. It's really nice. It works on tablets. The only thing I couldn't get it to work on is my phone, but we were able to connect up to 5 computers all at once. It doesn't let you go higher than 5. So you can have group meetings and group sessions. So it works really nice. So this is what we're going to try to use to tutor. And like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, good luck out there. Stay safe.